Mannandala, a developing residential suburb in Trivandrum through which the MC Road passes. The Malankara Catholic families in Mannandala dreamt about a parish in their locality since November 2011. As per the guidance from His Beatitude more and more Basilius Cardinal Clemis Catholicus, the Very Reverend Father Matthew Villavittle, who is renowned as Nelson Achan, got the responsibility for this mission. When a small group of believers were gathered and initiated the sacramental events in Mar Ivanos College Chapel, February 26, 2012, Katolika Bava announced a new parish in Mannandala with the name of Blessed John Paul II, Malankara Syrian Catholic Church. His Holiness Pope John Paul II is the only Pope who have visited Kerala, and it's the sacred relics of John Paul II, which was placed for worship in the church, ignited the faith in the parish members. It was then decided to build a unique church in Mannandala as the main center. Ever since the plot was identified, all the spiritual organizations related to the church like MCYM, MCA, Madhya Sangam, Sunday School have been competing to clean up the area and pave the way to begin the construction as soon as possible. Through the prayers and pain all the members are taken in this mission shows how much reliable was there with this mission to initiate a church in Mannandala. On the 15th July 2017, the foundation stone was laid for the construction of the church. Most of the bishops and priests of Malankara Catholic Church participated in this function. It should be noted that the parishioners were ready for any support during the period of the church construction, both by themselves and through the organization through which they belonged as far as possible. As part of intercessory prayer with Mar Ivanos, the servant of God, the parishioners always show much enthusiasm towards the Padayatra to Mar Ivanos tomb on July 15th. It was the custom among parishioners to conduct this Padayatra with the dream of a unique church in Mannandala. His Beatitude more and more Basilius Cardinal Clemis Catholicus and all other bishops visited the site occasionally and gave their guidance. The church construction committee was also meeting frequently to analyze the flaws and faults in the long run. The church construction was started in 2017 and almost completed by April 2021. Although the Kudasha often had to be postponed due to the COVID-19 crisis, it was fixed and happened on Reunion Day, September 20 of 2021. The successful completion was due to the incorporate suggestions and pre-construction planning, and the review conducted made the mission of this church a marvelous one. Even if thinking about the urgency of a church, the parishioners never kept back from any celebrations, the need of the time and customs. Remembering the promise of God. In the same way, let your light shine before others so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven. St. Matthew 5:16. Today, God is fulfilling the words He has given us 10 years ago. The God is faithful to all His promises and loving toward all He has made. Psalm 145 verse 13. Hereby we are summarizing the marvelous church construction history. Thank you for the patient watching. May God protect.